Cross the mid lane, Talyo. 4-3. Bang! The answer! Panglima. Mejia, Oduka, Pigs. Pigs, step back, inside pass, Fars, bucket, as Talyo. Pass inside to Corpus. Corpus posting up against Mejia, Fars, bucket. Lang-ilang. Lee, 4-3. Bang! Lee! And welcome to Abra Intertown. Langilang, first ball possession, Oduka, pass to the corner. Fires at 2, bucket, first block. And here's Kim Bucket. Talyo, pull up jet, the middle, no good. Rebound, para sa White. And pass. Talyo, pass to the corner. Inside pass, Fires, bucket, tie game. Oduka, i-pass. Kicks out. Sa tres. No good. Rebound. Mejia. Here's Mejia. Oduka. Picks. Step back. Inside pass. Fars. Bucket. Astrande. Bangked. Milyare. Bounce pass. Picks. Corpus. Drives. Kicks out. Pull up Jay Sanchez. Bucket. Sanchez. Lee goes to the middle, stops, pull up jet 3, won't go, rebound, Astrande, is stolen by Sanchez, Talyo against two defender, Talyo with the receive, Sanchez pull up J, in and out, rebound Lee, and the long pass, Oduka for 3, bang, done. He's at the top, he attacks, picks, kicks out. Talyo, pass inside to Corpus. Corpus posting up against Mejia, Fires, bucket. He's at the top against Talyo. Corner, Oduka, inside pass, recover. And the pass, Oduka, spins, inside pass, the floater, won't go in and out. Yare, pass to Corpus for 3, bang! Corpus! Inbound. Team White, Langilang, Lee for 3, bang! Lee! Oduka, stop, he pass to the wings, Lee, picks, he spins, oh, that move, picks again, he fires, bucket! What the... And here's Milyare, fires at 3, bang! Talyo! Pass to Oduka, against 4 defender, he step back, goes, he spins, Lee for 3, won't go, rebound, put back, bucket, Astrande, and the long pass, Talyo for 3, bang, same result, Talyo, Oduka, pass to Lee, to Oduka, inside pass, natapikan, ball saves the ball, Lee with the receive, hook pass, for long 2, no good, Corpus, to Talyo. Talyo stop for 3 again. Bam! Talyo back to back. And cross the mid lane now. Stops. Inside pass. Step back. Another pass. Kicks out. Milyare the floater. Yung shoot go. Rebound. Oyohoy. Pass to Oduka. Oduka long pass. In pass to the middle. Masanyeda. No good. Rebound. And Lee now. Oduka to Lee. Lee goes to the middle. The floater. Bucket. Lee. And Milyare. Pass to the wings. Sanchez. Kakaldag falling away. Bucket. Oduka to the middle. Pass to Lee. Picks. Lee. Step back for 3. Bang! Lee. Milyare goes inside. And natapikan Lee again. Lee all alone. Lee. Easy to Lee. And it's number 8 Milyare. To Talyo. Talyo picks. Stops for 3. Bang! Another 3. Talyo. Milyare cross the mid lane. Milyare stops to the middle. Here's Ferrer. Lee's bucket. Ferrer. Across the mid lane. Oduka. Pass to the wings. Pass back Oduka. Oduka To Lee for 3. Bang! Another 3! Sa mid lane, Talyo. Talyo stops for 3. Bang! The answer! Panglima! That's the end. Oduka, bounce pass to the middle. Lace, kinaliwa! Back! Corpus, and here you go, Talyo. Talyo goes inside. Lace, bakit Talyo? Bounce pass to the middle. Oduka. Pass to the wings. Fires at 3. No good. Rebound. Oy, oy. Bump. Pass, fire. Bakit? Oh, he spins. Milyare. He stops. Pass to the wings. To the middle. Ferrer pull up J. Bakit? Ferrer. Pass to Oduka. Oduka bounce pass. Oy, oy. Putting away. A good. And here's Talyo. Talyo, crossover, stops, pass to the middle, Milyare, Corpus, to his Deliolis, basket and 1, Talyo, ball is stolen, and it's Talyo, side step plays, bucket, reverse bucket, Milyare, pass to Talyo for 3, Nugget, Lee, against Talyo, step back, fix, fires, dude! Basket and 1! Pass to Oduka. Oduka asking for a pick. Picks. Drives. Bounce pass to the middle. Hoy, hoy! Easy to! And we are tied at 77. Kaya Ferrer. Picks. Goes inside. Lays. Oh! And yung team ball ay lang. Alchan daw inside pass. Halo pass. Oh! We are tied at 39. And yung team Bangged. Bilyare. Stops. Spins. Kicks out. 4-3. Short. Rebound Corpus. Picks. Fires. Inside bucket. And the long pass. Oh, stolen. Ferrer. To Talyo. Talyo. Bump. Picks. Fires. No good. For the inbound, Talyo. Pass to Talyo for 3. Bang! Milyare. Pass to the middle. Ferrer, floater. No good. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Estrande. Goes is. Oh, bakit? Estrande. Talyo. Talyo goes inside. Bump. Plays easy to Talyo. Pass to Sanchez. To Milyare. To Sanchez. Pull up J. Bakit Sanchez? And 48-46 score natin. And he pass. Here's Sanchez. Cross pass to Talyo. Ball is stolen by Mejia. Mejia all alone. And he pass. He fires. Bakit? And here's Talyo with the receive. Talyo now. He crosses over. He stop. Pull up Jet 3. Bang! Talyo. 25 seconds on the game clock. Lee. He stops inside pass. Pull up J. Mejia. Oop. Hoy, hoy. Last on the free throw. Bakit? Clock. Game clock. Pass to Talyo. Talyo against number 30. Goes to the screen. Talyo. Deep 3. No good. Rebound. Hoy, hoy. Pass break. And a pass. Oh, almost. That Lee. Deep 3. Bang! Milyare with the ball. Pass to Sanchez. Bounce pass inside. Corpus. Pass to stolen. Lee in hurry. Stops. Step back. Inside pass. Hoy, hoy. Rocket! Milyare. Pass to Hoy inside. Sanchez. Ferrer. Talyo. Reverse layup. Bakit? Umikot pa. Talyo. Against Lee. Talyo goes to the middle. The floater. No good. Hoy, hoy. Inside pass. Ferrer. Hook shot. Basket and 1. And here's Oduka. Oduka with the ball. Pass to the middle. Oduka. Alex. No, look pass inside. Fires. Basket. Estrand. Talyo. Talyo crossover. Goes in to the wings. Corner. Pull up J. Sanchez. Bucket. Talyo for the inbound. Here's Milyare. Sharing the play. He goes to the wings. Corner pass to Sanchez. Bounce pass to Corpus. Corpus with the ball. He bounce. He fires. Too strong. And here's Oduka. Oduka goes to the middle, inside pass.
Foul na.
Uy.
Foul jersey number 13, holding foul.
Oduka, bounce pass inside. Stranded too strong. Yoy! Bakit? Put back by. And Talio, bounce pass to the Milya.
Personal foul.
Milyare. Para sa 3. Bang! Milya! Lee. Pass to the wings. Stop. Pass to the corner. Attacks to the baseline. Oh! Milyare. Goes to the middle. Pull up jet long 2. Bakit? And the 3-point lead. Sa 3 for the tie. Short.
Rebound ng
Talio. Mac Talio. Bounce pass. And floater. Corpus na good. Recover. Corpus pa rin. Bakit? Last. Duka cross the mid lane. He's at the top. He passed to the middle. Kicks out for 3. Mejia. Bang! Sanchez drives. Stolen. And he's the pass. Mejia. Binit-bit. Bakit for 2 minutes? Salyo. Pass break. Milyare. Liz. Bakit? Milyare. Lee. Lee. Crossover na tapikan. Oduka for the inbound. Deep 3. Not good. Rebound. Fight for the rebound. Nakuha ni Oduka. Stop. Open for 3. Bang! Oh! And we are tied at 6-6 sa 3. Won't go. Rebound. Put back. Bakit by Sanchez. And here's Oduka. Pass to Lee. Lee with the ball. Holds the ball. Di discarded dito. Launches on deep 3. Not good. Short. Milyare against Oduka. Pass. Dinagdag. Oh! Sayang naman. Eto na si Lee. Pull up Jay Lee. Bakit Lee? Down to 1. Talio. Talio against Lee. Goes to the screen. Goes to the corner. Baseline. Pull up Jay. Oh, bakit? Lasa. 2-point lead for Team Bangged. Talio nakalusot. Lee. Bakit? Talio. And here's Lee. He pass. Mejia the floater. Bakit? Oduka. And here's Talio. Goes to the screen. Attacks. Inside pass. Lace. Too strong. Rebound. Talio. Falling away. Not good. Rebound. Lee. And Lee. Pass break. Oy! Oy! Na-ans po.
sinasabi.
Ans. Ball possession for Langilang.
12
And
seconds
Oduka.
on the shot clock. 10 to
Pass to
shoot.
Oduka. Oduka with the ball. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Falling away. Too strong. Rebound para sa Team Bangged. Blaza against 3 defender. Talio.
Shot clock is off.
Naps. Talio.
10 seconds.
Talio asking for a pick.
Last for 5.
Pass inside. Gandang pasa kay Sanchez. Na bakit? That's connect for 2. And that's the end of Talio dribbling the ball for Team Bangged. He's at the top. He attacks to the middle. He pass. Blaza fires off the window. Bakit? At Talio cross the mid lane against Oduka. Oduka versus Talio goes to the screen. He pass to Milyare. Pass back to Talio. To the middle. Sanchez. Milyare fires on 3. Bang! 3 po. Fires bucket. Easy to Sanchez.
Rebound Hoyohoy. Ito
Lee. Lee's bucket. Lee. Lee. Against Milyare.
Ito si Lee.
He stops for 3. No good. Oyoy. Pass. Basket and 1. Oyoy. Talio the rebound. And 2 on 1. Corpus. Oh, binangga. Bagsak. Oh. There with the inbound for Team Bangged to Talio. Goes to the screen for 3. Short. Rebound. Pass. Sanchez. Short. Oh. No basket. Offensive pass. Close the mid lane. Pass inside. Astrande. Kicks out to Lee. Lee. Crossover. Step back. Oh, iniwan. Oh, shorts. And Talio. Talio pass to Bakit? Milyare. Lee. Against Talio. Step back for 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Bakit? Estrande. 84-80. Talio goes to the screen. Sumigsag, hook shot. Bakit? Talyo. Mejia. Stops to Lee. Pass to Oduka, picks. Oduka. Bounce pass to Yohoy Yohoy. Kicks out. And it's for 3. Won't go. Rebound, Mejia. Attacks, spins, fires. Talyo dribbling the ball, slowly dribbling the ball. Oops, goes to the screen. And Talyo, inside pass to Sanchez. Inside pass again. Packet, Blasa. And Lee. Oduka wide open for 3. Bam! Oh, 88-84. Here is Talyo for 3. Short. Rebound. And a pass break. Oduka. Lace. Bucket. Down to 2-point lead. Minutes. 40 seconds. 886. Milyare for 3. In and out. Rebound. Oyoy. Pass break. 2-on-2. Oduka left alone for 3. Bam! For the lead. Oduka. And here's Tim Banged. 89-88 sa gitna. And Sanchez pull-up jumper for the lead. Bucket for the lead. And here's Langilang Lee. Lee goes to the screen. Attacks. Dinipit. Block. Rejected. Talyo goes to the middle. No basket. Talyo with the receive. Spins, goes to the screen, to the middle. Sanchez again. No good. And here's Lee. Lee, bounce pass. Mejia floater. Bucket for the lead. 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the fourth quarter. Inside is stolen. Hoyohoy to Oduka. Oduka. Oh, ball stolen. Talyo against Lee. Inside pass. Easy to Sanchez. 91. Banged lead. Lee. Against Talyo. Lost the handle. Stolen by Talyo. He pass. And he kicks. Milyare to Talyo. Pass to Milyare. Attacks. Pull up jumper. In and out. Rebound Mejia. Lost the ball. And it's Lee. Goes Talyo. Ooh. Back the inbound. And Mejia. Pass to Lee. Pass to the floater. Bucket for the lead. Talyo with the ball. High pass. 93-92. Pull up J. Sanchez. Bullseye for the lead. And the pass. Oduka for 3. No good. Sanchez pass break. Milyare. Talyo inside pass. Hook pass inside. Bucket. 3-point. 693. 48 seconds. Attack. Astrande short. May foul. The first and the free throw. Bucket. Astrande. Last free throw. In and out. Rebound. And kicks out. Open for 3. Short. Rebound. Oh, my foul. Oh. First on the free throw. Castañeda. No good. 96-94. 39 seconds. Last on the free throw. Bucket. 1-point lead. 96-95. Seconds to play. Spins. Natapikan. And Lee. Sterer. Sinausaw. And 24 seconds. Stops. Inside pass. Tayo backdoor inbound. Looking for receiver. And here's Lee. Lost the handle. Lee on the free throw. First throw. Bucket. Down to 2-point lead. And last on the free throw. 16 seconds. Bucket. Down to 1-point lead. With the ball. And here's Talyo. He passed to Milyare. Mapapabu sila. 6 seconds left. Malyari, bakit?
Pumasok.
And 6 seconds left. 2-point lead. And 3-point lead. Oduka. 5 seconds. Goes to the middle. Long deep 3. Very good. And for the win.